Google Gemini and other LLMs use a query fanout process to split your question into multiple related subqueries and combine results from many sources in their response. So how can you rank in those Google Gemini responses? Well, Keywords Everywhere can actually reveal those hidden query variations, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. First, make sure you have the Keywords Everywhere extension installed and turned on. Then go to Google Gemini and ask any question. So let's just say we are an e-commerce website and we sell webcams. So one question I can ask is, what are the best 4K webcams? Because my goal is to be mentioned in these Gemini responses. So you could see here Logitech MX Brio is being mentioned, this other one from Dell, so on and so forth. Now, when Gemini was doing its research, Keywords Everywhere actually was able to pull out the fan out queries that Gemini was searching itself. So you could see this widget right here, fan out queries. Keywords Everywhere is listing out 5 queries. So we could see here best 4K webcams 2026, top rated 4K webcams for streaming and video calls, so on and so forth. Now, since these are very long tail keywords, usually the search volume might not show, but if there is search volume, you will be able to see them here as well. So why is this valuable and how can you use it? So what you want to do is mention these keywords on your website. I would address each one of these queries, maybe even create dedicated pages targeting each one of these keywords. And your goal really is to rank for all of these fan out queries. And that way, when Google Gemini does its own research, your website has a higher probability of being mentioned in these responses. Now, Google Gemini is always releasing updates, and this can be a little finicky. Sometimes you might not see this widget appear. So what you could do is hover over this please continue button, then click on fan out queries. Then it will show the widget right over here. And sometimes if you don't see it, you might need to wait a little while or refresh the page, and usually it will eventually show up. Also note that these queries are available in the free version of Google Gemini and also using the other models as well. I also recommend using these other models because the fan out queries might be a little different. You might be able to get even more queries when you search using each one of these other models. Also note that if you want to see the search volume, you do need to be a paying subscriber of Keywords Everywhere. So just keep that in mind. Okay, so that was a quick tutorial of how you could use the fan out queries widget inside Google Gemini. Now watch this video to learn how you could use it inside ChatGPT.